Alright guys, so this is another tool from A1. It's called a Sidewinder. It's got a little bit of a kick to it on one edge, and it's rounded off on the other, which gives it a good dragging technique. You can use it as a dragging technique. You can also use it as pushing from here or soft pushing from this edge here. I'll just give you a demonstration on how to use it. See, all you're doing is sticking it in the panel under braces, and you're just rolling it rather than dragging, rather than pushing. And the tool will automatically try to come towards you. And you're not putting those high spots in the panel. It's just easily working out. Ironing the metal back into the center.